bucket time!
Wow! I wonder what's in my bucket today. It begins with the letter T. The letter T. And that makes the T sound. T. Can you make that sound? Wow! That is fantastic! Yes! T. Now farmers use these to plough up and down their fields. They have 2 big wheels at the back and 2 small wheels at the front. Do you know what it is? I think you might be right. Shall we take a look? Okay, are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Whoa, I think you are. It's here it comes, a tractor. A tractor. 2 big wheels at the back
And 2 small wheels at the front.
This tractor is green. Wow, it would be amazing to see a real tractor.
Wow, look, I'm on a real tractor. This tractor is green with big yellow wheels. I'm pretending to drive this tractor. Brum, 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 brum. Hi guys, I'm on a tractor. It's so much fun. I love tractors. T. This is the letter T and it makes the T sound. T. Tractor. Can you say tractor? Fantastic! Yes, tractor. T is for train. Train. Can you say train? Well done! Yes, train. T is for truck. Truck. Can you say truck? Fantastic! T. This is the letter T for truck, train and tractor. And it makes the T sound.
Bobbing around in the big green tractor, bobbing around in the big green tractor, bobbing around on the big green tractor, ploughing all the fields. Yay!
A red tractor ploughing the fields. This tractor is red. A red tractor ploughing the fields. This tractor is red.
Jumping up and down on the big red tractor, jumping up and down on the big red tractor, jumping up and down on the big red tractor, ploughing all the fields.
This is a yellow tractor. Yellow.
Jumping up and down on the big yellow tractor, jumping up and down on the big yellow tractor, jumping up and down on the big yellow tractor, ploughing all the fields.
Oh look, this is a blue tractor. This tractor is blue.
Jumping up and down on the big blue tractor, jumping up and down on the big blue tractor, jumping up and down on the big blue tractor, ploughing all the fields.
And this tractor is green. A green tractor.
Driving around on the big green tractor, driving around on the big green tractor, driving around on the big green tractor, ploughing all the fields. Yay! This is the small tractor, and this is the big tractor. Look, this is the little wheel on the little tractor, and this is the little wheel on the big tractor. Look, this is the big wheel on the little tractor, and this is the big wheel on the big tractor. Wow!
Oh, what shape is this wheel? Yes, it's a circle. This wheel is the shape of a circle.
Look, this is the little tractor, and this is the big tractor. Wow! Can you hear that sound? You can. Which animal makes that sound? Is it a pig or a goat? Oh, I think you might be right. It's a pig. A pig makes that noise. Can you make that noise? Oink, 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 oink. Yes, it's a pig. Oh, which animal makes that noise? Is it a horse or a cow? Yes, I think you might be right. It's a cow. Can you make a noise like a cow? Moo! Moo! Yes, it's a cow. Oh, listen to that. Which animal makes that noise? Is it a chicken or a duck? Now this is a bit tricky. I think you might be right. It's a chicken. Can you make a noise like a chicken? Wow, fantastic. Yes, a chicken makes that sound. Guess what else lives on the farm, guys? Yes, it's a scarecrow. They scare away all the crows. But I know a song about it, and at first you have to start off by pretending to go to sleep, like this. Then when the scarecrow pops up, we do too. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Are you ready, guys, to go to sleep? Okay, ready? When all the cows are sleeping and the sun has gone to bed, up pops the scarecrow and this is what he says. I'm a dingle-dangle scarecrow with a flippy-floppy hat. I can shake my hands like this and shake my feet like that. Oh, go back to sleep. When all the chickens are roosting and the sun's behind the cloud, up popped the scarecrow and shouted very loud. I'm a dingle-dangle scarecrow with a flippy-floppy hat. I can shake my hands like this and shake my feet like that. Wow, we make fantastic scarecrows, guys. I have a big tray of soil and a little tractor. He has 2 small wheels at the front, 1, 2, and 2 big wheels at the back, 1, 2. I'm going to put him in my soil and pretend he's planting seeds, just like a real tractor. In he goes, up and down, planting seeds and making tracks in the soil. Wow, he's very good at making tracks. Up and down, up and down. Wow, he's fantastic. Brr. Little Tractor got a bit sad because he was only pretending to plant seeds, not like the real one. So I got a little plant pot. I can use some of this soil and some seeds. First of all, pop some soil in the plant pot, like that. Then I'm going to open the seeds up. Oh, I wonder what they're like. Let's have a look. Oh, look. They're only very, very tiny. We'll put them, make a little hole with your finger, like that. And then we're going to pop the seeds in the hole. And then cover it up, just like that. Are you feeling a little bit happier now, Tractor? Oh, fantastic news, he is. But can you remember, we need something else to help these seeds grow? Yes, we need some water. Let's get the water out and pour some on top. Fantastic. Then we need one more thing, and it comes from the sky. Yes, it's the sunshine. We need the sunshine to help the seeds grow and flourish.
A seed. It needs water and sunshine to help it grow. Roots grow down into the soil, searching for water. Then it pops out of the ground and reaches towards the sun. Leaves start to grow. It gets taller and stronger, and more leaves grow and more stems reach out towards the sky. Oh look! Peas and pea pods. So that's what's growing on this plant. The roots are going down into the soil, looking for water and moisture. Whilst on top, all the seeds are growing up and reaching towards the sun. Wow, it's amazing! Look at them grow!
Wow, we had a fantastic time with the tractor today, and he's so much happier that we planted a seed and watched it grow. But now it's time to put our tractor away so we can play with him another day. In you go, Tractor. Safe and sound. Wow, I wonder what's going to be in my bucket next time with me, Sarah Jane, on Bucket Time. I'll see you later, guys. Bye.
Remember, you're fantastic!